How did people like Pablo Escobar, El Chapo, and Al Capone, all gangsters involved in various crimes, get their money into the system? They did something known as money laundering, and I will discuss it in detail in this video. So make sure you stick around till the end.
Hello guys, this is Shweta and welcome to the world of Wall Street Mojo.
So money laundering is getting dirty money cleaned and put into the system, making it seem like clean money. What is dirty money? What is the cleaning of dirty money? What is clean money? You'll find answers to everything. Dirty money. Dirty money is something that has been acquired through illegal means. People who get dirty money cannot show it to the authorities or they will catch them. As you can already imagine, they may generate this type of money by smuggling drugs, human trafficking, illegal weapon dealing, and all sort of illegal businesses. Cleaning of dirty money. Now say a drug dealer has sold drugs worth millions and they have millions in cash. How long do you think they can keep it hidden? Not for long. That's why they need to put the money somehow back in the system. This is where the cleaning of dirty money comes into picture. Clean money. There are many ways through which dirty money is cleaned. And once it is clean, the money is clean and it can be put back into the system without tracing its origins. Criminals can now invest this money in places and buy properties, cars or gold. Basically, they can now use it however they want it. Now they don't have to hide this money. There would have always been the risk of getting caught. But now the money is clean and safe. Why is money laundering bad? Now that you know the crux of money laundering, you should know the consequences that it can have. Number 1. Encouraging criminals to keep going. Once criminals know how to turn their dirty money into clean money, they know that the risks of getting caught are low. Hence, they ramp up their illegal businesses. More business equals more money. And then this money starts financing terrorism and weapon acquisitions, and the criminals can fulfill all their whims and fancies. Number 2. Harms the society. All the illegal activities these illegal businesses carry out only result in unrepairable damage to society. Drug dealing causes addictions, human trafficking spoils lives, arms dealing causes genocides, and the list continues. The pockets of some criminal bosses keep getting fat, but at whose cost? Number 3. Harms the economy. Any harm to society will directly harm the economy. It is another consequence of money laundering. Money laundering covers tax frauds, embezzlements, theft, and other illegal economic activities. It is taking clean money out of the system, making it dirty money. Money is clean, and clean money is again put back into the system. But this is not a zero-sum game. In between all of this, the economy is losing out on taxes and other stuff, costing it a lot. Stages of money laundering. Well, in the beginning, I just told you the crux of money laundering. Now let's dive into the entire process a bit deeper and understand how money goes through each stage, eventually coming out clean and entering the system. Number 1. Placement. The dirty money that is acquired must be placed at a place from where its cleaning will begin. This is the first stage in the process of money laundering. It's not just money, and it could also be jewelry, luxury item, or checks. These illegal proceeds may be deposited in banks or transported to a foreign country away from their origination. Such illegal proceeds are often transferred to tax-haven countries or banks with strict privacy policies. Number 2. Layering. The main part of money laundering happens in a particular stage of layering. Now that the money has left the country and has moved to a much safer country for the illegal proceeds, the money or goods are then managed to keep it clean. It may be split between different accounts of the different corporations that they may further establish in different countries. The main work here is to make the money trail as long and complicated as possible so that they fail if the authorities have to track it. Offshore bank accounts are used, shell companies are set up in tax haven countries, and they may even use cryptocurrencies. Number 3. Integration. Once the illegal proceeds have been cleaned, it is time for them to re-enter the system, making it clean money and completing the entire process. In this process, some legal origin for the money is created, and it will make the money legal and no one will notice its actual truth. It may be covered as business income by providing false proof for capital gains or loans. One may put the money into properties while the actual owner hides their ownership. Even they may show fake business proceeds by faking bills and invoices, making it seem like the business is making a lot of money. So, in this video we covered introduction and stages of money laundering. We are having another video coming up soon on money laundering examples and prevention. Hope you find this video useful. Please do like and share. If you have any feedback or want to suggest a topic for any future videos, do share in the comment section. We come up with interesting videos on finance and accounting topics regularly. So subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and get a notification when we release new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.